Hi guys! We will make a chocolate and pistachio tart which has 4 layers of pistachio and chocolate. We will make everything from scratch, so you will learn a lot from this video. And the best part is you can use the recipes you will learn in this video in any dessert you like. We will start with pistachio praline. A praline is basically 1 part nuts and 1 part caramel. So it's actually very easy. The only challenging part I think is the blending part, which actually depends on your blender. It may take a while to reach a praline consistency. So keep blending until it's a smooth paste. As you can tell from the tart videos on the channel, I love tarts. Trying tarts with different flavor combinations is so exciting to me. And I can say that today's tart is the best tart I've made so far. But I have many more recipes to try and I can't wait to share them with you. Then we will make the cremeux because it needs to set in the fridge for a couple of hours. I used mascarpone, but you can use heavy cream instead. The important thing is you shouldn't boil cream and milk mixture. Only heat up until 80-85 degrees Celsius. Again, after mixing with the egg, heat gently to 80-85 degrees Celsius. Boiling may cause the mixture to curdle. And if it curdles, remove it from the heat immediately and blend until smooth. Or whisk in a small amount of cold cream or butter to bring the emulsion back together. Also, using chocolate in a cremeux makes it thicker, smoother and more stable. So, I didn't do it, but you can add a small amount of white chocolate. In that case, you will just need to blend the custard with chocolate and praline. Now let's make the chocolate sablé tart shell. Pâte sablé literally means sandy dough in French, referring to its crumbly, tender texture that resembles sand. And it is achieved by rubbing cold butter into flour before adding eggs. And this technique called sablage or sanding. So this is pâte sablé. If a recipe calls for pâte sucré, it means the dough is made by creaming butter and sugar before adding the flour. There are 2 key rules for tart dough. Don't overknead it and keep it cold at every stage. As soon as the dough starts to soften, refrigerate or freeze it. The dough should always stay cold and firm to maintain its shape. And for the best results, take it straight from the freezer before baking. Now we will make feuilletine. Feuilletine is a thin, crispy, buttery wafer used in pastry to add texture and crunch. It sounds fancy, but it's very easy to make. Just mix everything together to a paste. Spread very thin, almost like transparent layer of the batter on your baking sheet. Then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Now that we have feuilletine and praline, we can make croustillant. Essentially, feuilletine is often an ingredient used to make a croustillant. Croustillant refers to a crunchy component in a dessert that provides texture contrast. Okay, lastly, we will make frangipane. Frangipane is used because it adds moisture and nutty flavor to pastries. So it acts as a soft and nutty filling. Also, if we are using a layer like fruit puree, frangipane creates a barrier that prevents the tart shell from getting soggy. Frangipane is originated in France and it's traditionally used in French pastries and tarts like the classic tart amandine or galette de roi. Interestingly, its name comes from an Italian nobleman, Marchi Frangipane, who supposedly invented an almond-based perfume. Alright, fun fact aside, it's time to assemble the tart. We will bake the tart twice. First, bake it empty. Then take it out and spread the frangipane. And bake a second time. When it's baked, let it cool down. Then start layering with praline, croustillant and cremeux. Afiyet olsun. If you like this recipe, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more sweet and savory recipes.